Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 318 different strategies, with 103 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 216 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,019 indicators, with 424 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping indicator. And I guess this indicator can really be used just in general. It's not technically a crypto scalping indicator or a 5-minute indicator. Like I said, it's just a in general indicator. And the source video says this legendary trader created this indicator. And so the indicator itself, or I guess I should say this indicator or this video, we will put under the indicator testing spreadsheet and not the strategy testing spreadsheet, since it is just a standalone indicator with just some, basic functionality. But the indicator is going to be the multi-deviation scaled moving average, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And basically the short version of this indicator is it takes a combination of moving averages. I don't know exactly how many, but it basically monitors them all kind of in real time, and as they are coming, all of them coming to a point or a singularity, then it will give a triangle like this here. If it gives a brown triangle, I guess it's kind of brown, yeah, we'll call it brown. If it gives a brown triangle like this, that means that all the indicators are lining up to the downside, or kind of have a bearish kind of momentum to them. If it gives a blue triangle, that means they're all lining up to the upside with a bullish momentum to them. And then it gives this kind of cool little histogram type deal right here, where it gives you kind of a scale of whether or not the indicators are more bullish or more bearish. So the green is bullish and the kind of brown is the bearish. Now, the source video explained that you could just take these triangles as a signal to enter into a long or a short. And that's what I did in this testing. We might play around with this a few other ways to see what other ways we can use it, or if we can get different results from it. And so the first way that we're going to test it, like I said, is we're looking for a triangle or a diamond, not a triangle, to appear like this right here. And then when we get that diamond, what we're going to do is enter into a short, and we're going to put our stop right here at that diamond. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you see that it takes a little while, but we eventually make this nice push to the downside, getting us to take profit. And if you notice how this red or brown bar here, the brown histogram bar, has really increased and the blue one has went down. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is one of the diamonds, the blue diamonds, to appear like this right here. When we get that blue diamond, again, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. Put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right here at that blue diamond. And then we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the upside there, getting us to take profit. And again, you can see how the histogram here changes from close to a 50-50 to a nice spike to a 100% there. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. If you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade with the 1 to 1.5, and your total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000. So not a horrible indicator. Definitely did all right for a standalone indicator. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 53 trades altogether, had 43 winning trades and 10 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $12,000 for an overall gain of $13,800. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. But I do feel like this indicator is definitely a decent indicator to play with, which is why I said we'll play around with it some more and test it a few different ways. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently we've developed a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the nice trades that it's taken here. Earned a little over a couple $1,000s in the last few weeks. You can actually see one of the trades that I'm monitoring right now on screen. If you're interested in viewing this crypto scalping strategy, then click the link up in the video right now. It'll take you to that video to watch that. All right, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.